Hi, welcome to Nomis Academy. In this video, we'll be dealing with WAEC past questions involving set theory. We'll be dealing with WAEC past questions on set theory. So, let's take them. WAEC past question. So, WAEC past questions on set, on set theory, set theory. So we have something like this for the question, and this is label P, this is label Q, and we have something like this around 2, 8, 10, we have 4, 6, we have number 9, we have number 1, we have number 5. So looking at this table now, you can see that we have a universal set, we have a subset P, and we have subset Q in the universal set. So we have all these put together. So the question is saying that the Venn diagram above represents a universal set of integers, yes, and its subsets P and Q. List the elements of the following set. So let's take the elements of the following set one after the other. So let's take for number 1, P union Q. Using your knowledge of Venn diagram that we've learned previously from the videos, so we say P union Q is to add the element of P and the element of Q together without repetition of elements twice, without repeating an element twice. So let's take that. So we'll now say P union Q is equal to P union Q. So in P we have 2, we have 10, we have 8. P union Q, we have 3, we have 7, we have 4, and we have 6. So you see that these 3 and 7 has taken care of the repetition that could occur, because we have 3 and 7 to be part of P, and we have 3 and 7 to be part of Q. So this intersection has taken care of the repetition. So we just have it straight like this. If you like, you might want to rearrange in a numerical order. So 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, and 10. So these are the elements of P union Q. So let's take Roman figure 2 or number 2. Number 2, we need P intersect Q. So P intersect Q. So what are the elements that are common to P and Q? So just as it is seen in this Venn diagram, they are just 3 and 7. So we have 3 and then 7 as the common element, that is P intersect Q. So what do we have? P union Q complement. P union Q complement. So let's take that. Number 3, P union Q complement. So that means that we should take the elements of the universal sets that are not in P and that are not in Q, right? So that's the union. So when we look at the elements that are in the universal set that are not in P and Q, we have 1, 5, 9. So these are the elements. So we have 1, 5, and 9. So these are the elements of P union Q complement. And lastly, we have P intersect Q complement. That's number 4. We have P intersect Q complement. So P intersect Q complement. Now how do we get that done? So this is intersection 3 and 7. So complement, so that is excluding just this part. So we are going to take P intersect Q complement. So the complement now is excluding the intersection, and we take other part of P and Q. So what are the elements of P intersect Q complement? So we begin to have 2, we have 4, we have 6, we have 8, and we have 10. So this is P intersect Q complement. P intersect Q complement. So let's take example number 2, or let's take past question number 2. The past question number 2 says that in a hotel, the breakfast menu is a choice between yam or plantain or both. The Venn diagram shows the choices made by 25 guests in the hotel. I know seeing the diagram, you're like, what is there in the diagram? So this is what we have in the diagram: 2x plus 1, and here we have x, and here we just have x minus 2 raised to the power of 2. So if we are to find the value of x, that means we just have to equate everything to 25 and find the value of x. So this becomes 2x plus 1 plus x minus 2 squared. Everything is equal to, since we have 25 guests, remember that each of these are the set of the 25 guests that we have. So the summation of all should be equal to 25. So we now have 2x plus 1 plus x plus, we need to open this. This is x minus 2 multiplied by x minus 2, right? X minus 2 equals 25. So this becomes 2x plus 1 plus x multiplied by x is x squared, and x multiplied by minus 2x is minus 2x, and then minus 2x, so we have minus 4x. Minus times minus is plus, 2 times 2 is 4, equal to 25. So I have 2x plus 1 plus x squared minus 4x plus 4. So 2x minus 2x, I think I should be left with minus 2x, right? 2x minus 4x, there I should be left with minus 2x. So minus 2x plus 1, that will be minus x, right? That will be minus x. So I'll be left with minus x here. Minus x. So what I did was 2x minus 4x, that will be minus 2x. Now minus 2x plus x, which will be minus 1x. So that's how we have minus x minus 1x. So we have x squared, right, plus x squared. So this could be plus x squared. So x squared plus minus x. What do we have left? We have 1 here and we have 4 here. 1 plus 4 is 5, so equal to 25. So that plus 5 now. So plus 5 is equal to 25. So x squared minus x plus 5 is equal to 25. So we say x squared minus x plus 5. This constant becomes minus 25. So this is x squared minus x plus 5 minus 25 is minus 20. That's minus 20. So we are left with x squared minus x plus minus x plus 20 minus 20. So the next thing to do is to factorize. This is a quadratic equation, simply a quadratic equation. If you like, use almighty formula, but in this video we're going to use factorization. So how do we factorize? We think of two numbers that if we multiply together we can have minus 20, and if we add together we are going to have minus 1. Remember that the coefficient of x here is 1. So how do we get those numbers? We are going to get them by looking for the factors of 20. What are the factors of 20? 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20 itself. So these are the factors of 20. So among the factors of 20 are the numbers we are looking for. So we have what we are going to multiply together to give me 20, right? So one have to be negative, one have to be positive to have minus 20. So let's take 4 and 5. 4 and 5, because the difference I can still get that of 1 I'm looking for. So 4 and 5 suggest my best option. So I will take minus 5 plus 4. So if I say minus 5 plus 4, if I add together, I will have minus 1, which is minus x here. So if I say minus 5 multiplied by 4, I will have minus 20. So that tells that x squared minus 5x plus 4x minus 5 times plus 4. So since we have, so just take x at both ends, x. So we are going to have minus 5 and then plus 4. So x minus 5, x plus 4 equal to 0. So just take them one after the other. X minus 5 is equal to 0. That's so that x is equal to 5, or x plus 4 is equal to 0. So x equal to minus 4. So if x is equal to minus 4, how do we count people and say that we have minus 4 people? So that does not exist. So we would go with the positive integer. So that means x of that denotes the number of people that take the two together is equal to 5. So the answer for the value of x is equal to 5. I hope you understood everything we did in this video. Check very well, take note, and solve more questions on set theory. Bye bye. See you in the next video.